नमस्कार मित्रांनो, गोर एज्युकेशन यूट्यूब चॅनलवर आपले सर्वांचे मनपूर्वक स्वागत आहे। आपण जर या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर प्रेस करा, म्हणजे येणाऱ्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन आपणापर्यंत पोहोचतील। तर उशीर न करता सुरू करूया आपण हा व्हिडिओ।
इयत्ता पहिली नवीन अभ्यासक्रमावर आधारित 2025 ते 2026 लर्निंग कॉम्पिटेंसीज अँड लर्निंग आउटकम्स मॅथमॅटिक्स स्टँडर्ड 1 करिक्युलर गोल चिल्ड्रेन डेव्हलप मॅथमॅटिकल अंडरस्टँडिंग अँड एबिलिटीज टू रिकॉग्नाइज द वर्ल्ड थ्रू क्वांटिटीज शेप्स अँड मेजर्स लर्निंग कॉम्पिटेंसीज लर्निंग आउटकम्स 1 sorts objects into groups and subgroups based on more than one property. Sorts objects according to properties and describes the rules of sorting. Groups of animals that live in the same environment. To recognizes and extends the simple pattern of shapes and numbers in their surroundings. Fills in missing element of simple repeating patterns in different aspects with adults' help. Egg, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. 3 counts the numbers up to 99 after and before in the groups of tens and 2005. Counts objects greater than 20 using number norms up to 99 and counts the numbers according to the groups of tens. 4 arranges the numbers up to 99 in ascending and descending order. Arranges objects in the same group according to their various properties. Size, measure, length, weight. Arranges the given number in ascending and descending order. 1 to 9. 5 recognizes and uses numerals and write number names up to 99 using place value concept. Recognizes the symbol 0 to represent absence of object thing. Recognizes and writes numerals up to 20 and write number name up to 10. Compares two numbers up to 20 and uses vocabulary like bigger than or smaller than.
6 using flexible strategies and derives combinations of composing, add together, and decomposing, take away from the set. Performs addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers. Uses real-world situations and concrete objects to solve addition sums up to 18 using addition fact. Uses real-world situations and concrete objects to construct and solve subtraction problems up to 9 using subtraction facts. Taking away chocolate from the given set. Develops relationship between addition and subtraction of numbers. Recognizes the symbol for addition subtraction operations. 7 recognizes multiplication as repeated addition and division as equal sharing. Solves multiplication problems by grouping for small numbers. Recognizes the symbol X for multiplication. Uses trial and error method and sharing into groups for solving division problems. Recognizes the symbol for division. 8 recognizes, makes and classifies basic geometric shapes. Understands and explains their properties. Uses and develops vocabulary of spatial relationship. up, down, inside, outside, near, far, before, after. Collects objects of various shapes and sizes from the surroundings. Pebbles, boxes, balls, cones, pipes. Sorts, classifies and describes the objects on the basis of shapes and other observable properties. Observes and describes the physical features of various shapes in their own language. E.g., a ball rolls, a box slides and has corners. Compares shapes based on various properties, length, area, volume. Point 9. Selects tools and units for simple measurements of the length, weight and volume of objects in their immediate environment. Distinguishes between near far, thin thick, up down, longer taller shorter. Measures lengths in terms of non-standard units in the context of games gilli danda, marbles games. Estimates short distance and length and verifies using non-standard units. Figures, hand span, forearm, footsteps. Compares and places in the order from light to heavy objects or vice versa. Estimates and measures volumes of containers using uniform non-standard units like a cup, spoon, mug. Point 10. Performs simple measurements of time in units of minutes, hours, days, weeks and months. Distinguishes between events occurring using terms like earlier and later. Take the qualitative feel of long and short duration of school days and holidays. Narrates the sequence of events in a day. Arranges the events incidents of the day in order. Point 11. Performs simple transactions using money up to ₹100. Adds up currency notes and counts to form amounts up to ₹20.
Point 12. Develops adequate and appropriate vocabulary for comprehending and expressing concepts and procedures related to quantities, shapes, space and measurement. Constructs full sentences to describe a mathematical problem related to quantities, shapes, space and measurement. Point 13. Formulates and solves simple mathematical problems related to quantities, shapes, space and measurement. Recognizes situations in the real world as simple mathematical problems. Solves simple numerical problems using different strategies. Thanks for watching video.
हा संपूर्ण व्हिडिओ पाहिल्याबद्दल आपले मनस्वी धन्यवाद. मित्रांनो, आपण जर गोरे एज्युकेशन यूट्यूब चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. व्हिडिओ जर आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि कमेंट्स करा. आपण भेटूया पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत धन्यवाद.